Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Pretty just ain't good enough. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Gotta see the bigger picture, yeah. So you ain't gotta spend your whole life running. I know you're trying to chase all that money, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if you haven't already, what y'all waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and follow me on social media at styledbylydiacassia or Littleohfancyme. So today's video is going to be 25, yes, you heard that right, 25 video ideas to help you increase your views here on YouTube. If you don't know, this is a fashion-based channel. I have been doing YouTube since about 2018, so I'm coming up on year 3 of me shooting videos. I was kind of running out on some ideas, so I was like, let me do some research. So I pulled up 25 video ideas, and I want to share them with you guys today. A lot of these are fashion-based because this is a fashion-based channel, but if you have a lifestyle channel, a beauty channel, vlog channel, or just a multi-niche channel you haven't necessarily found what exactly you want to do, these video ideas can help you out to help you produce those views. So without further ado, let me get into it. I have my iPad here. I took some notes, so I'm going to just read off my notes and give them to y'all to help you guys increase your views. So without further ado, number 1 is to do a haul. I know you guys have been shopping. We've been in quarantine, you can't really go nowhere, so everybody's pretty much been shopping online. So I know you've been to Target, you've been to Walmart, you've been to Kmart, you've been shopping on Amazon, spending that money. Y'all know y'all have, but a haul is just pretty much everything that you have. You kind of get on screen and kind of show everybody what you have. You leave some links in that description box, get that affiliate link going, and earn you some of that money back a little bit. But just kind of pulling everything out, showing it here on camera will help you get some views. Very popular. I know the Amazon hauls. Also, one that has been very popular, I've been seeing a lot of, is Shein. Shein is becoming very big here on YouTube. It gets lots of views, so go ahead and check some items out for Shein. I have a code down in my description box below. Go ahead and just click on the link and go ahead and shop Shein. So that is the first one, hauls. So get into some hauls. Number 2 is to do a lookbook. So after you done shop, you pulled everything out of the bag, people want to see you with your items on. So guys, do lookbooks. They want to see how that hat fit, that coat fit, that shirt fit. It'll also influence them to go ahead and get some of the items that you have. So guys, go ahead and do those lookbooks. They get lots of views here on YouTube as well. Number 3 is going to be dressed like a celebrity. So we all have our favorite celebrity. We love their style, we love their clothing. Maybe you can mimic their outfit and just dress like them for a certain day. Record your process of how you did it, your outfit, where you got it from, show it, do a before and after of them and then you. So that is a great way to also get some views here on YouTube. Next up, number 4, dress like a movie character. I know you guys remember when Wakanda came out. That was like the top movie in America. Everybody wanted to dress like them. So guys, pick any type of movie. It don't even have to be Wakanda. It could be Power Rangers, it could be Star Wars, whatever. Record your process and put it up here on YouTube. They will get you a lot of views as well. Next up, we have number 5, do a thrift store video. Everybody is trying to save money. Y'all, that gas price then went up. It went up again, and now it's up. So do a thrift store video because you're trying to save money. Nobody's really trying to pay a whole bunch of money for clothing. So vlog your thrift store experience when you go in the store. Pull it out, do a haul, lookbook, all of that stuff. So you can pretty much, once you do your thrift store video, you can have 3 videos. You could do a little series and do 3 videos all in one. So that will also help you increase your views here on YouTube. What number am I at? 6. Number 6, do a DIY. if you are very crafty, if you are artistic, whatever, go ahead and do a DIY. Record your process from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and then also show the final product of that video. I have a couple DIYs here as well. I did some custom tennis shoes. I kind of painted some custom tennis shoes. I did a mask. I also did I think like a 2-piece set or something out of 2 camisoles. So I will leave those videos down below. Check them out if you have not, but do a DIY. DIYs will definitely get you more views. Up next, clothing hacks. Clothing hacks have been crazy here on YouTube, IG, Facebook. Like, those video ads be popping up like crazy. Like, 1 way, like 5 ways to tie a shirt, put a band-aid on this, and just so many different items. So guys, do some clothing hacks as well. Next up, do tips for styling or tips for whatever niche that you're in. Kind of like an educational series. You can do episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Just do some education, how to do this, or tips for this, or whatever. The next item is to do then and now fashion, in which some of these, y'all, I'm about to incorporate them and put them on my channel. Then and now fashion, like how you dressed 10 years ago versus how you dress now. Y'all, I'm about to do it, and I'll let you guys see my changes over the years. I think, you know, I wasn't that bad, but I was a little bad. But I'm gonna incorporate that one, I think, coming up really soon, then and now, like some old pictures versus how I dress now. Definitely a change, so I thank God for change. Thank you. Okay, next video is a list of online stores to shop at. Just kind of give your list, like your favorite stores, whatever you like to shop at, whatever stores. It could be Target, Walmart, it could be Lulu's, it could be whatever type of store is your favorite. Give everyone a list. I know people are searching for different places to shop here online, so go ahead and give them that tea and let them know where you shop. Next up is to do a closet cleanse video. You know, it is officially spring, getting ready to be summertime, so some of the pieces that you had previously, you don't want them here in the spring and summertime. Some stuff you can't fit no more. Go ahead and do a closet cleanse. Record your process, the before and after. Next up, a get ready with me. So if you have an event that you're going to, or something like that, you go to church or whatever, record your whole process of your hair, your makeup, your outfit, and do a get ready with me. Next up, trying on everything in your closet. You can do your trying on everything in your closet video when you're doing your closet cleanse. So that can be kind of like 2 videos in one to help you get some views here on YouTube. Next up, do a sneaker collection or a shoe collection. Y'all know I have a lot going on back here. I want to do this video like a shoe collection, sneaker collection type feel, but I just feel like it's a lot. If you haven't, watch my Q&A video of how many shoes I have in my closet. Like, I have this, and then I have stuff in my closet over there, over there, over there, over there. So it would be a lot to kind of do a shoe collection video. But if your shoe collection is maybe like 20 or 30 pairs, let everybody know where you got your shoes from, or your sneakers from. Drop them Jews on everybody on where they can get them from, discounts, all of that. So that is an excellent idea to help you get some views as well. Next up, a hat collection. If you're a hat collector, go ahead and show your hats. If you like Nike hats, if you like buckets, if you like snapbacks, whatever type of hat collection will be dope to help you get some views as well. Next up, your boyfriend rates your outfits. So if you have a boyfriend or a friend that's really, really close to you, have them rate your outfits. You try on about 3 or 4 outfits and have them rate your outfits as well. Next up, have your mom, dad, niece, nephew, one of your siblings, either rate your outfits or style you in some outfits. So they can give you, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, oh, your outfit was a 3. I I didn't like that. I didn't like your shoes. I didn't like your hat. Like, no, that don't go. But have somebody rate your outfits. That is definitely popular here on YouTube as well. Next up, rating outfits from award shows. So a lot of the award shows have been, you know, canceled out, or virtual type of award shows, but they're still dressing. Celebrities are still dressing. I know when I first started YouTube, I think back in 2018 and 2019, I was doing a lot of rate your outfits. The celebrities would come on the red carpet and I would give them, I like that, I don't like this, or this was not for this event. Like, some of the outfits I used to rate back in the day wasn't it. So I have some of those videos up on YouTube as well. So rate your celebrities outfits is another popular one. The next one is what I ordered versus what I got. You know, with a lot of these smaller companies, these overseas companies, they, you know, don't necessarily be sending you the right size or whatever. So you can do what I ordered versus what I got type of video. The next video would be an unboxing, which is kind of like a haul, but it's still like you're actually unboxing, like opening up, like your first impressions type video. You can open up on camera, you know, let everybody see what you got, how much the price was. All of that is great for an unboxing video. Next video is to do a small business review. If you don't know, mostly small companies are very, very small, and they appreciate any type of business. So it'll be good to support small businesses. We're in a pandemic, so I know I did a couple of these on my channel as well, where I got some items from like 4 or 5 small businesses. I showed you guys what I had. So that is definitely one of a top videos to help you get some views as well. Next up is fashion trends. So right now we're in the spring, summertime, so there's a lot of trends going on. There's neon, your bell bottoms. Let everybody know what are the most favorite trends coming out this year, whether it be bucket hats, whether it be mini skirts, skirts. I seen skirts are coming back in, so I was like, interesting. I remember wearing a skirt when I was younger. It was like the little short with the skirt over top of it. I seen Forever 21 coming back with them. So different trends like that, you could go ahead and record, you know, a video of the trends for whatever season it is. Next is to vlog events. I know we're not really going anywhere. Like, I haven't been able to vlog like any fashion events for the last year and a half. I have not been to New York Fashion Week. I haven't been to like any events. So if you go on a trip, like let it be a road trip or wherever, go ahead and vlog that event. People like to see when you go out of town and do different things. Vlogs definitely get a lot of views here on YouTube. And last, number 25. Number 25 is to do seasonal essentials. So of course, like I said, it is springtime, getting ready to be summertime. So you want to do what, your 5 or 10, whatever season essentials for like winter, summer, spring, fall, all 4 seasons. Get on, let the people know what are your essentials for that specific season. So that pretty much is all that I have for you guys today. If you like what you see, if you want another one of these videos, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know also what one of these video ideas you're getting ready to incorporate on your channel. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.